Welcome to our channel Jayaditya Math Tutorial. We are doing a series of 10th class mathematics as a part of this 10th class syllabus. We are now in the chapter similar triangles. In the previous class we have discussed some important criterions of similarity. If you don't watch that class, please do watch it. I'll give the link in the description. Why? Because if you have the grip over that class only, then you can easily solve the problems what we are discussing now in this class. In this class we are going to discuss very important gunshot questions in which we have seen in our previous papers also. So this class is very important. Watch till the end. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, and if you like my class, please do like and share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notifications of upcoming videos. Okay, right Nana, so let us enter into our class and we'll be directly doing the problems. Let us start with examples. I already told you, don't take examples, try this, do this as light. If you take them light, similar triangles chapter takes you light, Nana. So give some importance to examples and try this, do this. You will definitely succeed in your examination. Right, Nana? Let us see the example here. A person 1.65 meters tall. A person 1.65 meters tall. A person 1.65 meters tall casts a shadow of 1.8 meters. Casts a shadow of 1.8 meters. If a person is standing like this, obviously the shadow will be on the ground itself. Okay, so this is the information. And at the same instance, that means at the same time, a lamp post casts a shadow. We don't know the height of the lamp post here. There is a lamp post. It is casting a shadow of length 5.4 meters. It is casting a shadow length 5.4 meters. You need to find the height of the lamp post. You need to find the height of the lamp post here. Right, Nana? So let us take these two informations and let us use the concept of similar triangles to solve this problem here. So see here, I am joining these 2 points here. Right now, so let us take the man as AB. Man's height is AB and length of the shadow as BC. Now, length of the shadow is BC, and in the same way PQ as the height of the lamp post and QR is the length of the shadow of the lamp post now. Okay, this is the lamp post and this is the height of the man. You think like that. So why I have drawn triangles? So what can we see from these triangles? That is most important here. Okay, now so if you observe, if a sun is here, the rays will be falling on the ground with the same angle or not. Right now, the angle of sun rays will be equal on the ground now. So what can you say here? Angle C is equals to angle R now. The first thing is you can see from both the triangles is angle C is equals to angle R, and also everyone will be standing vertically on the ground. So here you can take angle as 90 degrees. Here the lamp post also will be vertical to the ground. So here also you can take it as 90 degrees now. So see here you have two triangles. Here you have two triangles. In both the triangles, two pairs of angles are equal now. Two pairs of angles are equal. So what can you write here? Angle B is equals to angle Q. First of all, you should write this one in triangle ABC and triangle PQR now. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle B is equals to angle Q and angle C is equals to angle R now. Angle C is equals to angle R. Clear? So after writing this one, you can see here you are showing one pair of angles are equal, and here you are showing the other pair of angles are equal. If two angles are equal, obviously the third angles must be equal. So by what you can write here means by AA similarity. In the previous video we have discussed about the criterions of similarity. So in that one of the three criterions is AA similarity now. So by angle similarity criterion we can say that. So see here Nana, we have BC. I am writing here BC and I am taking A in front. So triangle ABC will be similar to triangle here B is equals to Q and C is equals to R. So what is the remaining one here? That is P. So in place of B you write Q, in place of C you write R, and in place of A obviously it will be P now. So you can write like this. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now you have just shown that these two triangles are similar. From that you need to find the height of the lamp post. So if two triangles are similar, then the corresponding sides ratios will be equal, right? So what are the sides required here? You take the ratios of those two sides. So see here, what is the corresponding side of AB? The corresponding side of AB will be PQ. So from this you can write it as AB by PQ will be equals to, so I want BC. So what is the corresponding side of BC here? BC's corresponding side is QR. So that will be equals to BC by QR. So from the statement you should write this conclusion result term. After writing the result you substitute the values, then you will get the answers. That's simple. So what is AB here? AB is 1.65 meters. What is PQ? PQ is nothing but it is height. We need to find it. And what is BC now? BC is equals to 1.8 and QR is how much? QR is 5.4 now. QR is 5.4. So if you cancel this one, 18 ones are 18 threes are 18 ones are 18 threes are you can take, and your answer will be how much now? So H is equals to 1.65 into 3 now. H is equals to how much? 1.65 into 3. So this will be equals to 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, that is 9, and 1 remains here. So 3 1s are 3 plus 1 is 4. So this will be equals to 4.95 meters. So what is the height of the lamp post now? What is the height of the lamp post? That is 4.95 meters. So this is very, very important. This is your example 5. This is your example 5 in your textbook. This is very, very important problem now. So let us go for the next problem. So a man sees the top of a tower. A man sees the top of a tower in a mirror which is at a distance of 87.6 meters from the tower. The mirror is on the ground facing upwards. The man is 0.4 meters away from the mirror and his height is 1.5 meters. How tall is the tower now? So this is the question. So see here how to understand the question. A man is 1.5 meters tall. Okay, and he is looking in the mirror now. So let us think here there is a mirror. In the mirror he is seeing the reflection of the tower here. Here in the mirror he is seeing the reflection of the top of the tower in this manner. Okay, clear now? So let us take this one man as AB and let us take this point as C here. Okay, and the tower as DE now. Let us take the tower as DE. Clear? After this, what we need to do? What are the other informations we have here? Let us see here. So the mirror is on the ground facing upwards. The man is 0.4 meters away from the mirror. So the man is 0.4 meters away from the mirror, and his height is 1.5 meters. It is given, and so this mirror is 87.6 meters away from the tower. Mirror is 87.6 meters away from the tower. Okay, from this what we need to find here? We need to find the height of the tower. From this you need to find the height of the tower. So what can you see here? Okay, so first thing is the man is vertical to the ground and the tower also will be vertical to the ground. So both the angles will be equal, and you know that in physics angle of incidence will be equals to angle of reflection, right? And angle of incidence will be equals to angle of reflection. So you can also take this angle C in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle C will be equals to angle C in triangle CDE. So here you have two triangles here. This is one triangle and this is the other triangle. In both the cases angle C's are equal here. Okay, so how to solve the problem? Let us see here. So I am taking in triangle ABC and triangle CDE. In triangle CDE, first of all we should show what are the similar triangles here. I am not showing similar here. I am just taking the triangles here. After writing the dimensions we can analyze how the triangles are similar here. Okay, so see here Nana, let us take the angles here. Angle ABC is equals to angle EDC Nana. So see here angle ABC in triangle ABC and EDC in triangle CDE, both are equal, and which is equals to how much? 90 degrees. And then in this triangle, in the first triangle ACB, angle ACB will be equals to ECD not ECD none. Clear? These two angles will be equal in both the triangles, right? So which criterion you will use now? You should use AA criterion. By using AA criterion, so you see Nana which angles are equal here. So angle B and D are equal, and you can say C and C are equal Nana. So in these two triangles C and C are equal, and here B and D are equal. So write the first triangle as your wish. I am taking it as ABC. So ABC triangle is similar to, in place of B what should I write? it should be D. In place of C, what should I write? It should be C. What is the remaining vertex here? That is E. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDC. None. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDC. Understand clearly once again. So angle B is equals to angle D, and here angle C is equals to angle C here. So I am taking ABC. So here it should be like EDC. Nana. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDC. Now you take the corresponding sides ratio here. I want AB by, so AB's corresponding side will be ED. AB by ED will be equals to, here I have BC and CD. I will take BC by CD. Clear now? So in this way you need to take the corresponding sides ratio. Now substitute all the values here. So that AB is 1.5 and ED is height you need to find, and BC is 0.4 and it is 87.6 now. CD is 87.6. So you have same decimals, same number of decimal places here, so you can cancel out the point here. If you cancel this one, what will be your answer? Let us see here. If you cancel this one, 4 1s are, 4 2s are, 4 1s are, and 36 means it is 9. So 1 by 2, 1, 9. So what you are remained with here, 1.5 by h is equals to 1 by 2, 1, 9. So simply you do cross multiplication. So h is equals to 219 into 1.5. 219 into 1.5. So if you simplify this one, then you will get the answer. The height of the tower is equals to 328. The height of the tower will be equals to 328.5 meters. Okay, the height of the tower is how much now? 328.5 meters. Okay, so first of all, write which angles are equal here. Then you write the similar triangles, take the corresponding sides ratio, then you apply, then you substitute the values. If you directly substitute all the values, your problem will be wrong. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Right, Nana, look here. This is the example 7. So see here, this problem is somewhat interesting problem. So here is a building, Nana. You observe, here is a building, and here also you have one more building. So in this building there is a fellow who is living, like his name is Gopal. He is worrying that his neighbor can look into his living room from the top floor. Right now, this fellow is worrying that this fellow is looking into my house from the top floor. So what should I do to block his view? So what he thought is, he wants to build a fence here. So in between these two buildings he wants to build a fence such that its height must be so much that it should block the view of the neighbor. Right now, so you should find the height of the fence here. So how much the height must be? So here he has given the dimensions directly in the figure itself. So let us take the height of the Gopal's house as 1.5 meters and his neighbor's house is equals to 2.7 meters, and he has 2 meters distance here. In 2 meters distance he wants to construct a fence, and you need to find the total height of the fence. And here the distance between the two buildings is 8 meters. So how to solve this one? What will be the total fence height actually? So the height of the fence will be DQ, right? The height of the fence must be equals to DQ. If AP is 1.5, obviously this BQ will be 1.5 and also CR will be 1.5. So if you find this height, then your problem is completed, right? If you find DB, then your problem is completed. So how to solve this problem? So understand carefully here. You leave the bottom part, this you think about the top one. So see here, I'll show you two triangles here. So we'll be taking those two triangles and we'll be showing them as similar, and we'll be taking the corresponding sides ratio. Okay, so let us take this one. ABD is one triangle. ABD is one triangle. What is the other triangle you need to take? Means you should take the complete triangle ACE. You should take the complete triangle ACE. So let me draw like this. Right. So what are the triangles you can see here? Means here you have two triangles. The first triangle I am taking it as ABD. ABD is one triangle, and the other triangle as ACE. ACE is the other triangle. Okay. So I am taking these two triangles. That means in triangle ABD and triangle ACE, what happens? Let us see here. So if you observe, angle A is common in both the triangles or not? In triangle ABD you have angle A, and in triangle ACE also you have angle A. So in both the triangles angle A will be equals to angle A. In both the triangles, angle A will be equals to angle A. And obviously, if you observe the figure here, this angle will be 90 degrees. Here also the angle will be 90 degrees. Right now, why? Because we have taken AC, the line parallel to the ground. Always the buildings will be vertical or not. The fence also will be vertical or not. So here the angles will be 90 degrees. So obviously here also the angles will be 90 degrees. So in this triangle, angle B is equals to, in the triangle ACE equals to angle C now. So this is equals to 90 degrees, and this is nothing but common angle in both the triangles. Angle A is common in both the triangles here. So by here you have shown two angles are equal. So what can you write here? So by AA criterion of similarity, by AA similarity criterion, you can say that triangle, first of all write A in ABD. So A, B, and I am taking D now. First triangle I am writing as it is, ABD as ABD is similar to. So angle A is equals to angle A here. Angle B is equals to angle C. Angle B is equals to angle C. And what is the other vertex remain here? That is E. So obviously angle D will be equals to angle E. So first you need to write this part correctly. Then you can easily solve the problem, remaining problem. So from this, what can you write about corresponding sides here? So AB, these two are corresponding sides, AB and AC. So AB by AC must be equals to BD by CE. BD by CE must be equals to AD by AE. AD by AE. Corresponding sides ratios are equal. So whatever are required, we will be taking only that much. So what is AB here? Can you find AB? You don't have. We have the dimension as 2 meters here. If it is 2 meters here, it also will be 2 meters. So take this as 2 meters by AC. AC dimension will be equals to PR. PR is 8. So AC also will be 8 now. So you need to write units here only. So this is 2 by 8, which is equals to, next I want BD. I want to find BD here. So I am taking BD by CE. What is CE here? CE is given as 1.2 now. We don't require this one. So I am leaving that one. So what will be my BD here? If you cancel this one, 2 1s are, 2 4s are. So BD will be equals to 1.2 divided by 4 now. 4 1s are 4, 0.3s are. So B is equals to how much? Sorry, BD. BD is equals to 0.3 meters. BD is equals to how much now? That will be 0.3 meters. Clear? Now your problem is completed. So what is the height of the fence now? So the required height of the fence will be equals to how much? That is QD. QD, which is equals to, but QD is equals to QB plus BD from figure. This is equals to QB plus BD. So QB is nothing but 1.5 meters and BD is nothing but 0.3 meters, which is equals to 1.8 meters. So the height of the fence is equals to how much? 1.8 meters. So these are the most important example problems. Mainly you should definitely focus on first 2 examples, Nana. So this problem, some students feel this problem as somewhat difficult by looking all these measurements. So for your understanding, I have explained this one. Okay, in our coming class, we will be discussing the exercise problems which are very, very important. Okay, so whenever you are watching the video, please do watch it completely. Then only you will understand complete concept now. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, and if you like my class, please do like and share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of coming videos. Let us meet in our next class. Till then, bye.